The latest now on the 2G allocation scam. The Joint Parliamentary Committee has given a clean chit to the Prime Minister and to Finance Minister P. Chidambaram in its report. The JPC's report has concluded that the Prime Minister was not told by the then Telecom Minister A. Raja of changes in the telecom allocation policy. This report, although complete, is yet to be formally adopted, and for that to happen, the government needs the support of 16 out of 30 members that are part of the JPC. Now, the UPA currently has 12 members, and sources tell CNN-IBN that the JDU with 2 members may support the UPA. The Samajwadi Party and the BSP too are being canvassed for support. The BJP and the DMK have slammed the JPC's report, dubbing it a whitewash.
We trusted the JPC PAC and it doesn't work, and unfortunately people who are heading these bodies conducted themselves or misconducted themselves as members of a certain party and not really people who were constitutional bodies under the parliament. And one has regrets. At the same time, we will put our dissent note.
It is just a draft. It has to be placed before the committee for finalization, then we will see.
Sir, did you receive a copy of the report?
No, that the members would have received.
Sir, will the DMK still insist that Raja should be allowed to depose before the JPC? Will you still insist that demand, sir?
Definitely. Without his deposing before the committee, the report is a waste.
JPC report is ready and CNN-IBN has access details of the draft report. Of course, it is on predictable lines and the opposition is calling it a whitewash. The Prime Minister has been given a clean chit. The Finance Minister has also been given a clean chit in this report. The fall guy once again is former Telecom Minister A. Raja. There is going to be a dissent note by the BJP. There is also going to be a dissent note by erstwhile ally, the DMK, and of course by Gurdas Das Gupta. But the bigger issue really is that this report has to be adopted by a majority, and the government at the moment is short of 4 members where the JPC is concerned, because remember the DMK has switched sides. So who are the 4 members who are going to be supporting the government is the big question, and if that support doesn't come through, then whatever the report might say, it would not really be relevant because it would not be adopted.